Os I rúnach spòrs na ALBA, Sophie Nix a cluich pool, mas the runnig I snooker a lenting. Von oorsin haid ieder ma art the reing, le dochs en eichir son an am di tjeach. Agus chimich a lorre a taich van a jewloch, agus an coat jaichke.
Well, I was 9 on holiday and I started playing pool with my dad, and then I got back and then asked him to bring me here to the local amusements to play pool. And then my coach Alan saw me and asked if I wanted to join his junior coaching academy. My dad does everything for me, basically, like helping me practice, playing me so I get better, and taking me to all of the competitions and spending all his time with me. It's really good with him always being there, because it's nice to do it together, not just by myself. At first I saw the tables and I was like, it's massive. And then I played for about 3 years, just twice a week, and then recently I've been playing every day. Well, Alan's been there right from the start, so everything I've learned is off him, so it's a good coach.
Leis groi yn un che a bat chi yn tron an academy, who is Sophie misnach am sy'n comas yn eich geheen. Sfyr hylewa a fi siŵl gyfarpysyn, agus chanili a fadach yn gydwaloch a chi yn leis na gemich yn môra.
Yeah, well, there's about 5 other boys and I'm the only girl, but I love playing them and working hard to try and beat them every week. Well, I don't mind it, but it probably puts them under pressure being the only girl. I'm a bit used to it now. I go to tournaments quite a lot and that's probably my favourite part. I love competing in the more serious part of the game. I really like going to them because I love the travelling and just getting to meet other people and play different players again. I quite like being under the pressure of just the all silent room and just getting to play your best.
A Sophie is cluich gan ei cwtje na boddanich a airson spòrs ans na farpysyn sio, na misg Rhian Evans. A ynys y gydroechbe ffain chwn yn ynide, agus has a fi brosnachig e game go cluinntinn nela.
Yeah, well, I got drawn against Rhian Evans, which was really good, even though I got smashed, but it was good. It's a really good from learning from them, and because they are pros now, the top 4 on the women's tour, so it'd be amazing to get to that level. I would love to do it as a full time because that's just amazing. It would be lots of fun. Well, obviously from the mixed doubles it's been played, more girls will hopefully see it on the TV, then realise girls can play, and then pick up a cue and start in competitions hopefully. It's really good just to build the sport all together with women and men.
Ha Sophie geri fi geno urtus yn spòrs, agus bi fiws y cloes y dachi, sons gybi tren o tris y swryngi. Le farpys osgolch yn a ALBA y chiliach, ys on a hir dwyd ys on basket fichet bliana. A Sophie yn doch ys y geno choma, sy swryngi, sy dwych eich geheen.
Most days about 2 hours a day, but I've got a free quarter in my garage at home, so it's mostly on that, but then like 4 times a week on a full size. Again, my favourite part is playing in the competitions, but also the practising as well, just by myself and put my music in. We haven't been able to go to the America ones, the competitions, but the ones in England, and then there's a new Scotland one, which I'm excited for that, to see how well I do. For the World Women's Snooker, I'm the only Scottish female that plays in it, so that's an achievement. Very excited to play in the women's because it's the first in 19 years in Scotland for the women's snooker tour.
Y thri a frwyd ha Sophie y gamasydd, sef i cloich snooker la yn únia. Ys on sy'n y ianw, fe mi fi yn gen y thri a cher y chloichatrans yn dyl.
I would like to turn pro, which means to get to the top 4 in the women's tour. Well, if I turn pro, it would probably be my job, so that would be good because I wouldn't need to worry about anything else. And if you could just do it full time, it would be amazing obviously, because you turn pro, it's the dream.